I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Somebody gotta be me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Like somebody gotta be you.
Why they gotta do it?
So that's something that we might as well do. Be yourself.
Be yourself.
Focus on how God view you and how you
You
view
view
yourself.
yourself.
More than the world's opinion.
Yeah.
Think about yours and the God of the living.
Gotta live.
That's what's most important. And negative thoughts, I recommend you abort them. Don't support them.
No.
Think positive.
Yeah.
If long you wanna live, that's the secret of the ancients.
Ancients.
And it's a good thing to be content.
Speaking again.
It's like heaven at your residence.
Your president's contentment.
Oh, every inch. Thank God for it. What are these words? He spoke it.
Focus. Us.
Focus.
Focus.
God, thank you for how you're there for us.
For us. For
How
us.
you grow us
Grow us.
like
Grow.
a plant from a seed planted by the waters
Waters.
or the seeds.
For the seas.
God, thank you, eternally.
Eternally.
Your concern for me, concern for us, is why we love you with our heart, soul, mind, strength, and trust.
Strength and
And it's never
trust.
going to change. Thank you, God, for the way you remain doing so many things in our favor, blessing those who love their neighbor. Thank you, God, for being our creator. You're the creator, bitch.
Yeah.
Thank God for the way you just keep on giving me true success.
Yeah.
Peace of mind in the heart and the soul and
Soul.
the spirit. Thank God for the way my life you commandeer it
To control.
and steer it in the direction that it need to go.
Oh.
Love you with my heart, mind, strength
Strength
and
and
soul.
soul.
I said it before and I say it again. Gotta love you with my heart, soul, mind, and strength. With you, ain't no one can contend. Thank you for the fact we never gotta be extinct. Thank you, God, for the story of the Lord is our strength.
The Lord is our strength.
God, please help us all to do what's meant.
For destiny
I
links.
know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know.
Somebody
Somebody gotta be me.
I might as well do it.
Yeah, that's right. Like somebody gotta be you.
Yeah.
So that's something that we might as well do.
Shouts out to Charles
Be
Barkley, y'all.
yourself. Focus on how God view you and how you view yourself. More than the world's opinion. Think about yours